third நாட்டடவு தளங் குதகதி குதகத திங்கினதோம் தேய் யும் தாத் தாத் தேய் யும் தா ha. I shall explain it in number. Number 1, stretch right heel to the right side as like number first நாட்டடவு. Number 2, tap the right leg in aramandi. Number 3, stretch the left heel to the left side. Number 4, stamp the left leg in aramandi. Number 5, keep your right leg behind your left leg in back swastikam, and you have to bend to the right side. Your face should be slightly slit, tilt, and your elbow should be to your shoulder level, and look at the hand down. Number 5. Number 6, turn the right hand up. Turn the right hand up near your chest, look straight, and your leg should be stamped in the same swastikam position. Tap front leg. Number 6. Number 7 and 8, same as the first நாட்டடவு. Let's do the left side. தளங் குதகதி குதகத திங்கினதோம் தேய் யும் தாத் தாத் தேய். Look straight. Ta ha. Second speed. Tei yum tat tat tei yum ta ha tei yum tat tat tei yum ta ha.